In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Australia Post with Shopify. We begin this process by installing the Australia Post app on Shopify. To do this, you need to go to your Shopify admin corner and navigate to the settings. Within Settings, look for Apps and Sales Channels. Here you will find the link that will guide you to the Shopify App Store. Your next task is to find the application named Australia Post Rates and Labels. Once you find it, click on the application and proceed to install it. Now, you will see a subscription approval page pop up. Here, you will be required to give your consent by clicking on the Approve button for the app to be activated. Now that we have the app installed and ready, the next step is to set up your Australia Post account. For that, you need to open the newly installed Australia Post app and select the type of your account. This could be My Post Business or any other type available. Following this step, you will be asked to add your account credentials. This information generally includes your Australia Post account number, the API key, and the API password. Alternatively, if you have a My Post Business account, you might need to provide a merchant token as well. For a seamless payment mode, it is recommended to have a credit card linked to your Australia Post account. Alternatively, you can opt to activate a charge account instead. Once you have entered all the required details into the app, also ensure to add them by clicking on the Add button. Now we have reached our final step. Here, we will configure the shipping settings. To begin, go back to the Shopify admin area and find Settings. Once there, you are to navigate to Shipping and Delivery. In this section, you have the option to create a new shipping profile or modify an existing one based on your requirements. Within the profile settings, add Australia Post as a carrier to integrate it. Now the last thing left to do is to set up your preferred shipping options and rates for your products depending on your business needs and model. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate the Australian Post with Shopify to streamline your shipping and delivery process.